Hello once again, here is another videos of FreshTalk. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful park in Guwahati. So I am visiting along with my friend. You can see they all are my friend. Please tell us your name.
Ruben, my name is Ruben.
Ruben, and here is another friend.
Penime.
Okay.
Hello viewers, this is Benjamin Rame. I'm here with Mr. FreshTalk.
Good or bad? So would you like to say anything about this park?
This is one of the most beautiful places I have ever visited. The park is, even though it is small area, but the condition, the environment was very beautiful.
So it is your first time that visiting this park?
No, this is my
This is
second
your
time.
Second time.
Yes.
Here in Guwahati, Nehru Park is one of the most beautiful park, and it is my first time to visit this place. When I look around, when I observe around, it is very much beauty. It's make my mind totally change. It may be church. Some of them are singing.
Some came with boyfriend, some came with girlfriend.
Visiting
With friends.
Visiting park along with girlfriend and boyfriend, it may not be so romantic. So now we bam Guwahati Nehru Park da. I there Guwahati Nehru Park kasi bisa kaki mana visitor malaurai. Bam du I, pelui du I, environment du I rang siak bam Malaysia supaya deka karena mi du kau ida pogo environment I bisa kena. Jika dah nunui lama tak ada wang Malaysia pogo. Apa bam je visitor rangai selo. Apa bam je cimak je na I aku description kan awak gule bam sing berama I bam rangzen. Jadi aku description makai le si bisa nang nui do. Assam ke bam do rindu makza. Manipur Nagaland ke bam Malaysia nang nui wang je visitor lo. Aja perlu I bam le tingkai de ilu bam je ilu le I kong kilo rai kong kilo. So it is a most beautiful place. And we village ko ramai. Pelanggan bang korang meja, aku pakai ngoi maka tidak ada Guwahati itu naik Nehru Park visitor orang aslo, bam se ilu, itu piano nang mileja, atau piano dega fresh betak, scenery betak, apa gua park gum je, ngau orang hangga Guwahati itu phone kau dele, sidang ni, ngai makza, so makza, posi visitor sing lah. Oh ya, bam ni sanggup dah ide, beli bam dah, ni terbaik ne, ni uang sanggup dah. I get all gum za kiu gum ram sam lamui. Apa park ya? Get pasir rangga kang kai nanggo za nang na karwa I be camera te lu za DSLR gum da. Te lu rangga hai kan nanggo za nang na movie shooting te le za na sige hai ming nang le. I friend whosoever want to enter park, you can kindly pay 20 rupees to pass the gate, and for those who use camera, and you can only pay 100 rupees and you can enter this park and visit surrounding. This is today's cameraman. So, Mr. Riva, thank you so much for capturing beautiful pictures. Welcome. You seem you're like a professional videographer? Not at all. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like our videos, please thumbs up. So if you have any suggestion, you can just comment in the comment section. New visitors are requested to subscribe and do share with your friend. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.